How to fix ChatGPT sign up not working. First up, open up your ChatGPT, and in case your ChatGPT sign up is not working, all you have to do first make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection. After you have made sure that you have a secured and safe Wi-Fi connection secured, all you have to do is click on New tab and go to status.openai.com. Here you can see if the OpenAI server has been down or has suffered an outage in the last 24 hours. With this, if the ChatGPT website is facing an outage during the time you are trying to sign up, you must have to wait for a few minutes or even for a few hours until the power outage is back. The third step is to go to your settings and privacy and security, click on clear browsing data and make sure that you clear the browsing data of cookies and cached images and files. Clear the data and after a while you will be able to fix ChatGPT sign up not working. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more useful videos.